electronic configuration of copper 29 while argon is 18. Okay, now they gave us the atomic number of copper, which is 29, regardless of what is the element. And here the argon is 18. Okay, and here, as you see, they gave us the notation of what? Of noble gases notation. So we need to remember noble gas notation, that helium by 2 takes 2, then neon takes 10, and argon takes 18, and krypton takes what? 36. And we know that after each one, the period is finished. And this one, period 1 finished, here period 2 finished, and here period 3 finished, and here after that, period 4 what? Is completed. Good. So now, if we have here 29 electrons, they gave us here argon, that means we're going to start by argon. So that means argon here, when we use argon here, and when we say argon, that means we used 18 electrons. Good. What is left? What is left after argon is used by or completed by 18 electrons? How many electrons left of 29 then? This is 29, here 18. How many electrons are left when we use 18 electrons? So that means 11 electrons are still there. Okay, when argon is used, that means the third period has been finished. What comes after the third period is the fourth period, and the fourth period starts by 4s. So 4s will take 2 electrons. What comes after 4s, as we know in the periodic table, what comes to it is 3d. And 3d can be completed by 10 electrons. But now we have only 9 electrons left, because argon used 18, and the 4s takes 2, so that means now they become 20, and only 9 electrons left, so we put the 9 here. This is now the expected electronic configuration of copper. But now, what will be as real? What will be as real? As we said, it's similar to what? Similar to the questions that is before this question is similar to this question. So what will happen now? This 4s is full, and D is not full. So, and the sublevels S and D and F, if they are full or half full, the element will become more stable. So for this element now to become more stable, the S will give 1 electron to the D in order for the D to be complete, and the S will be half. So that means the D will be full and the S will be half full. So that means in this case, the element will become what? Will become stable. So that means then the new electronic configuration will become now argon by 18 and 4s by 1 electron and 3d by 10 electrons, by 10 electrons. So that means you go to choose argon 4s1 3d10, which is here D is the right answer. And also you have to remember the sum of electrons, they have to be, if you forget these ones or these steps, you see them hard, okay, you can understand the traces from the sum of electrons. Here the argon is 18, and I told you need to memorize them. You need to memorize helium and neon and argon and krypton. You need to remember each one is filled by how many electrons, and we said that. So argon now gets filled by 18, and here is just 2. So 2 plus 18, it's 20. Only 2 electrons, 20 electrons are used here, where in the question 29 electrons are given. So that means this one is not right. Here, as you see, this one takes 18, and here is 2, and here is 9. Okay, this one is right. They take 29. So that means this one could be right. And here, as you see, this one 18, and here is 2, and here is 10. So that means here is 30 electrons. And what is given is only 29. So that means this one is not right. And now here, as you see, 1 and 10, and here 18, it's going to be what? 29. So that means what is right? This one could be right, this one could be right. But now, this one we said, it's going to be expected electron configuration, but this one what will be the actual electron configuration. So that means D is right, and we explained why D will be right, while B is not right, because it depends on how, or the actual way that they are filled inside the electronic configuration. So D is the right answer, as we said.